My video tutorial is about removing the ransomware called Loqw. This is a ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family, and it is able to essentially damage the files that people store on the hard drives. So before the ransomware's attack, users are able to open their data without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Loqw ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and then after people restart their computers, they suddenly realize that their data is no longer accessible. In advance, I want to tell you that my video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover your files, but I can give you recommendations on how to remove this ransomware effectively and how to protect your files. So after restarting the computers, people realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the files and appends this Loqw extension to the file names, so it is then impossible to use the data. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner. It can be found on the page combocleaner.com. So go to this official website, download the software through combocleaner.com site, install the program, and start investigating your system. After you start Combo Cleaner for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on the Start Scan button. The software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. But first of all, it might update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. So it might take some time until the scanning is successfully accomplished. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. You can upgrade to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner and to remove this horrible ransomware. So, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.